Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a cute cat. I love drawing cats so much. Please try to draw with me. This cat's name is Twinkle Paws. Say hi to Twinkle Paws. She's so cute. Now I'm drawing the body and legs of this cat. This cat is so beautiful, isn't she? I love cats so much. They are very funny animals. Do you love cats too? And I'm drawing her tail. She has a beautiful long tail. It's a pink cat. Yellow, red, yellow, pink, yellow, great job, my little artists. You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.